We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
The most commonly occurring bony injuries were fractures of the ribs 73.8%, skull 51.2%, facial bones 47.6%, tibia 34.5%, thorax 32.1%, and pelvis 31.0%. Common organ visceral injuries included injury to the brain 61.9%, lung 60.7%, liver 47.6%, heart 41.7%, aorta 38.1%, and spleen 32.1%.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.